Okay, guys. Hi, we are on lesson 5 today, and our objective is to use the associative property to make 100 in one add-in, meaning I'm going to break my numbers apart using a number bond, and I'm going to make 100 using one of the numbers that I'm adding with. But before we get to that, we're going to do our application problem. I read it, you draw and write an equation to match. Jenny had 39 collectible cards in her collection. Tammy gave her 36 more. How many collectible cards does Jenny have now? Okay, so first thing I have to do is draw something to match with my problem. And in my mind, I'm saying that this is more than likely an addition problem. So Jenny had 39 cards. Her friend Tammy gave her 36 more. How many does she have in all? So what I want to do is go 39 plus 36. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. The 5 is in the ones place, goes underneath there. And the 1 is in the tens place, so it goes on top of the 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus another 3 is 10. So, or what? Plus another 3 is 10. No, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Why did I think 10? So weird. I think I was thinking 6 and then 4, which is 10, but it's 6 plus 1, which is 7. Okay. 75. Okay, let me check my work to see if I'm correct. Good. And remember, I'm not finished until I write a sentence. So let me try to write it this time today. So Jenny has 75 cards. Okay, so I have a drawing, I have an equation, and I have a sentence. My problem is done. All right, so the next part of our lesson, I want you to write the equation 90 plus 40 on your whiteboard. So 90 plus 40. And I want you to look at these two numbers and ask yourself which number is closer to 10, to making its next 10. Which number is closer to making its next 10? I hope you're saying the number 90, because I only need 10 more until I get to my next 10, which is 100. So what I'm going to do is break apart one of these numbers, my second number, my smaller number, to help the number 90 get to 100. So I know that the number 90 needs 10, so I'm going to take out 10 from this one. And if I'm at 10 and I need to get to 40, I know I need 30 more. So my two numbers on my number bond are 10 and 30. They make 40. All right, so to get 90 to 10, I'm going to first go 90 plus 10. That is 100. And then I have this 100 here and this 30 here. I'm going to add them together. And your answer should be 130. And that is what you guys are going to do today for the core concept of your lesson. You're going to try to get one number to its next 10, and then you'll add the rest of them together. Okay, so I want you to write the number 190 plus 120. So we're doing the same thing, except we're using larger numbers. The first thing you have to do is ask yourself, which number will get to its next 10 quicker? 190. And if I'm at 190 and I want to get to my next 10, which is 200, I know that I need 10 more. So what I'm going to do is pull 10 away from this one here. And if I'm at 120 and I took 10 out of there, what's left is 110. So these are your two numbers on your number bond, 110 and 10. Okay, so my first step is to help 190 get to its next 10 by going 190 plus 10. That is 200. And then I have this floating 200 and this floating 110. And you can add any way that you want. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So your final answer there should be 310. Yep. Okay, let's do another one. We're going to go to 209 or 199 plus 25. Okay, so your first question is, out of these numbers, these two numbers that I have, which one will make it to its next 10 quicker? 199, right? And this time it only needs one more to get to its next 10, which is 200. So I'm going to pull out 1 from this one. And if I take away 1 from 25, what's left over? Hopefully you're saying 24 at home. Okay, so the same thing. I'm going to do the same exact same thing. I'm going to add 199 plus 1, which is 200. And then I have my floating 200 and my floating 24. I'm going to add those together. And your final answer should be 224. Yep. So that's just an easier way for some of you guys to add. And so you'll be doing that here at the bottom of your problem set. And then at the top, you'll be solving these unit form problems. So let's do a practice one just so you guys can know what to do. But I'm pretty sure you guys already do. So this one says 18. Well, let me get one from your homework. So I'm not telling you from the homework. So I'm not telling you the answer. So this one says 19 tens plus 11 tens. So we'll add those together. Okay. So with these problems here, what you do is just look at your numbers in the front and you're going to add those first. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 1, 2, 3. 30, and behind it, you'll put tens. 30 tens. Okay, let's see if there's anything different. Nope. Okay, so you're good with that one, and then you'll just do the associative property using those number bonds. Okay, let me know if you guys need any help or have any questions. I have office hours today.